Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you an update on Porus. Now Porus is a small town between Maypen and Mandeville. It used to do very well. It was a very busy place full of activity because it was on the main road on the south coast. But recently Highway 2000 opened and the section between Maypen and Mandeville, which passes through Porus, is free. They're not charging any toll on it. And so a lot of the traffic is using that would normally go through Porus is now on the highway. As a result, Porus has seen some serious economic fallout because the traffic is just not there. And people would drive through, stop at restaurants, bars, and just that's not happening now. So we're giving you an update on the latest that's happening in Porus. Now the residents of Porus, or the business people in Porus, are hoping that once they start to collect toll on the highway, that a lot of the traffic will return to this area. Now the latest on the highway is when it was built, the government built it, the government paid for it. So they wanted to sell the highway to Trans Jamaica Highway. I think it's renamed Trans Jam Highway now. And then Trans Jam Highway collects the toll. But Trans Jam Highway didn't want to buy the highway, and as a result, no toll was being collected on the road because Trans Jam Highway owns the rights to collect toll on this road. But what would usually happen is the highway company would build a road and charge toll and collect back their money for building the road. But that didn't happen in this case, so that's why there's basically a stalemate and no toll is being collected. So as a result of that, a lot of people are taking advantage of the highway being free and not traveling on this road. And also these main roads have they have a lot of potholes, let's put it that way. So why would you not travel on a first world highway, 4-lane, dual carriageway, very nice road, no potholes on those roads, on the highway roads. So you can't really blame the people for going that way. Now what happened is there's no exit for Porus off the highway. Now I think if they had put an exit for Clarendon Park and put one for Porus, those areas would do a lot better. Well, Clarendon Park is close to the toll plaza, so that one is manageable. But they should have put a exit, basically a ramp for Porus, because Porus is a much bigger town than Clarendon Park. As it is now, you would have to, when coming from Kingston, you'd have to go exit the highway on the Melrose Hill bypass, go up the bypass, go to the roundabout by Williamsfield and come back down, and that takes a lot of time. But if they had an exit, I think the area of Porus would do a lot better. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.